Right, welcome back to the Hebrew alphabet. So far we've been able to examine up to 16 of this alphabet, 16 out of 22 alphabets. So the last one we discussed in the last class was where Kaf, Lamed, Mem, Nun, Samek, and Haim. So today, in this video, we are now going to talk about the next one called Pay and Fe. Either call it Pay or Fe. Pay or Fe. Pay or Fe. Pay or Fe. Now, Pay or Fe is written as this. So Pay too also has three forms. Pay or Fe have three forms. Then, when you call it Pay, it is a different form. When you call it Fe, it is a different form. And when it now appears at the end of a word, it takes the final form. So now let's see examples. Let's see. This is how you write Pay. This is Pay. This is Pay. This is Pay. Now it will now be Fe if you against it. So when you had a dot at the middle, it will be Fe. Pay rather. This is Fe and this is Pay. Fe and Pay. Now when it now appears at the end of a word, so it will now stand like a tap. To stand like a tap. So simply put, so we have it as P, which is Fe, P. Or at the same time we give it. Now this is Pay rather. This is let's make this Pay, and this is. Or make it PH. Make it PH. So the last number was number 70. So this one will now be number 80. To be number 80. So we move on to the next one called Sade. 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 So Sade has two forms. It has two forms. So the first form of Sade is this. Let me give you a simple way. We have Sade written as this. Sade written as this. So that's when it comes at the beginning or at the middle. But when it now comes at the end, so it will now change its form to this. It will change its form to this, just like Y. It will change its form to that. So that simply represents S with a dot. So it's just like T Z. Or TS, TZ or TS. So simply like that. So and it is number 90. It is number 90. Number 90. So move on to the next one. The next one is what we call Kof. What we call Kof. Or Cope. Or Cope. Cove or cope. Cove or cope. Now, to simply put, it is written as this. It is written as this. It is written as this. Or you can write it as this. That is cove. that is cove. So cove simply represents Q. Q represents Q. It represents Q. So, and that is number, if you add 10 to this, it will be 100. It will be 100. It will be 100. So the next one is what we call resh. 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 Resh is simply written as this. Written as this. Let me write it at the top again. Resh. So it's written as that. Resh. So resh represents R. It represents R. It is transliterated as R. Like I said before, you have got it another interval. So you don't write 101. So you will now begin to add 100 to this. So which means resh will now be 200. 200. So the next one is what we call shin. We have shin and we have sin. We have shin and we have sin. Sin or shin and sin. So let us see, when does it become shin and when does it become sin? So simply, but this is how you write your shin. Let me give you the simplest way. Let's say you have it this way. Okay. Look at this dot on the right hand side. So it is, when you have this dot, so it is what we call shin. Shin, which is SH. Which is SH. So it will not be seen. Let's see. It will be seen when you have it this way. Let's see. So now the dots will now come here. It becomes seen. One at the right hand, the one at the right hand side is shin, and the one at the left hand side it is sin. So simply have it as sin. Shin will be this, shin, while sin will be this. Shin, sin. Shin, sin. Shin, sin. So, and that is number 300. So moving on to the last letter alphabet. The last letter is what we call tau. We call it tau. So we call it tau. Now you also write tau in two forms. There is one that is soft and there is one that is strong, that is hard. So this is how you write your. Let's start by writing the hard one. You write your tau this way. So you have the dot at the middle, so it means it is strong. While the second one is written without any dot, so it will be soft. It will be soft. So let's start with the one that is strong. The one that is strong is simply T. Simply as in T. And that is the one that is strong, T. While the one that is soft will be T with line. In case if you have to transliterate, T with line or TH. This is, you can see how soft it is, unlike T. So those are the 22 Hebrew consonants. 22 Hebrew consonants so far. I hope you enjoyed the class, and if you have any question, you can drop on my, you can just drop your question after watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, tell other people, share among other people. I'm teaching this basically the way the lecturer, the supposed lecturer in the University of Lagos, is going to teach you. So thank you and God bless you.